In today's video, I'll show you how to draft and edit resumes with Notion AI. Starting on our Notion workspace, head up to the top right corner and click the blue New Page button. Once your blank page opens, move your cursor toward the bottom. Instead of starting from scratch, we'll click the Templates option to get a solid foundation. This opens the Notion template gallery. Click inside the search bar near the top right and type in the word resume. Let's click Show All Search Results at the bottom of the drop-down. Now we can scroll through the marketplace, browsing a variety of professional layouts to find the perfect fit. For this tutorial, I'll select the standard professional resume template. Click on it to preview, then click the blue button to add it to your workspace. The template will quickly populate your page. Scrolling down, we can see it includes beautifully formatted sections for experience, education, projects, and skills. Now, let's customize it. Scroll back to the top. I'll highlight the placeholder name John Smith, delete it, and type in Lucas Williams. Next, I'll highlight the default email address and change it to lucaswilliams@gmail.com. You can easily update the phone number and website the exact same way. Let's take a quick look through the rest of the document before we refine the content. This is where Notion AI is incredibly helpful. Scroll back up to the summary paragraph. Highlight the entire block of text. On the floating toolbar, click the Edit with AI sparkle icon. In the prompt box, I'll type, "Make it more professional," and let it run. Notion AI immediately rewrites the text into a polished, impactful summary. It looks great, so I'll close the AI menu to finalize it. You can scroll down and repeat this exact process to effortlessly upgrade your job descriptions. And that's it. That's how you draft and edit resumes with Notion AI.